This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Ps4 is online and up to date. This prevents browser errors. Once done, connect with Ethernet for stability or Wi-Fi if needed, and sign into your PlayStation Network account. Next, go directly to Library, then Applications, and launch the Internet browser, globe icon. You're skipping extra menus, open it now. Doing this first gives you the browser interface and URL bar, so you can type or paste web addresses immediately. With the browser open, you'll navigate using the left stick to move the on-screen cursor and press X to activate links. This feels like point and click. Make sure to press the Options button to open tabs, bookmarks, Find on Page, and New Tab. These are critical for multitasking. Type URLs via the Ps4 keyboard or paste text if you have it on a controller app. When pages are long, hold R2 or flick the stick to scroll faster, so you cover content quickly and efficiently. To finish, sign into the websites you need and use the browser menu to manage downloads or save bookmarks for repeat access. Once done, clear cookies or history from the Options menu if you want privacy or to fix login problems. If a page won't load, restart the Ps4 and your router. Make sure system software is current. A quick troubleshooting tip: switch DNS to 8 in network settings. This often resolves persistent name lookup or loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.